my beautiful friends, it's Liz. Welcome to my channel. For today's video, I want to share a brand new purchase from Louis Vuitton. Now, I just picked up this item yesterday, so if you're watching this on the day I release it, happy Sunday. I am so excited to share it with you because I had been looking for a while for something similar to this and nothing caught my eye. And when I saw these, I immediately knew I had to do a video and share it with you because perhaps you too are looking for your new item for spring, summer. I can't wait to share it with you. Let's get started. By the way, if this is your first time seeing me, my name is Liz. I love doing videos all about fashion, a little bit of luxury, and some lifestyle. So today, let's get started with this unboxing. Don't forget to subscribe so that you can be notified every single time I upload, which is always on a Sunday and a Wednesday. And this baby here is what I want to share with you today. So let me bring it out. It comes in this beautiful box, and what I have been searching for, which I believe most of us are always looking for, the perfect white sneaker to pair with all of our beautiful outfits. And I came across this beauty. It is called the Front Row sneaker. I have it in the black with the patent leather, but this is the very first time I have seen this one. I discovered it just browsing through the Louis Vuitton website, and it has a little bit of canvas on it, but it's mostly white. Let me show you what it looks like. Now this one was priced at $1,020. Like this. And it comes with their own little dust bags. Nice little treat to reveal. This is what it looks like. Look at the dust bag. And these are them. How beautiful are these? Check this one out. Like I said, it's called the Front Row. It was $1,020. It has this little bit of canvas here and this light nude color in the back. The gold letters that say Louis Vuitton. Also has gold writing over here in the front, and this tiny little plastic little piece that says Louis. Let's grab the other one. It would be cute if it says Louis and Vuitton. Let's see if it does that. It does. So it says Louis Vuitton. So look at them here. How beautiful are these with the gold writing? That very pale, almost looks like a light makeup color, a light foundation, and a little piece of canvas there. These are them. I'm going to try them on. I'm wearing a white dress, which is something that I was looking for. A pair of sneakers that I can wear, a white cotton dress like I have on right now, and feel put together, not feel like I'm wearing an athletic sneaker. So I want to share that with you. Before I cut away to the mod shot, I wanted to mention to you that these are a size 35. I'm normally a 36, so I wanted you to keep that in mind, that I had to go a full size down. And when styling these sneakers, I think of how would I wear these sneakers. Now I'm thinking that I would wear them, of course, with white dresses, eyelet dresses, pink dresses, denim. I love denim and white sneakers, and all black look. Believe it or not, it looks amazing with a pop of white sneakers, and of course just a t-shirt with jeans on, a nice button-down shirt and jeans, denim skirts, which are so very hot right now. Denim skirt, a white top, a red bag, and boom, these sneakers. I can think of so many outfits. Everyone needs a nice pair of white sneakers. I'm also going to connect at the beginning of my YouTube career. I did do a video where I show you a whole bunch of outfits styling white sneakers. So I will connect that video as well. So if you want to take a look and get more inspiration on how to style white sneakers, it's there. So let's go try these on. you enjoyed watching my video. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment, and subscribe. I hope you enjoyed taking a look at my brand new Louis Vuitton purchase. It's such a feminine looking pair of sneakers that I think you can get so many looks out of. Thanks again for your time. I really do appreciate it.